Welcome back, everybody. I'm your host, Kelly Sparks, aka Big Dude. So we have another episode. I believe this is episode 10? 10? No, 11? 10 or 11? Was it 10 or 11? It's episode 10? Episode 10, buddy. Episode 10 of Rye-Maggedon 2021. We're going to go ahead and jump into it. Bonnie, what are you doing? What are you doing? Can you get up here? You want to say hi to everybody? You want to say hi to everybody, Bonnie? You going to say hi to everybody? Huh, Bonnie? Huh, Bonnie? Well, no? Is that a no? Is that a no, Bonnie? You don't want to say hi to everybody? Hey, Bonnie. Alright, so, y'all know the deal. We've been doing this for 2.5 months now. Bonnie. Oh, Bonnie. You got poop on you? So, let's go ahead and jump into it. Oh, man, that one's... I think they're all going to start to be really, really good. This one's got a very minty, spicy nose to it. Alright. Kind of... almost like mouthwash minty. Alright, so that tastes... Glass A. Very spicy. More like peppermint. Nice, viscous. Has a touch of sweetness to it. All in all, really good. Really good. That would probably make an excellent cocktail. I mean, it's tasty just by itself, but it's got some stuff going on in there that it's hard for me to describe. Alright. Another minty nose on this one. Oh, I mean, it smells nice. Alright, let's see how it is. Glass B. Spicy as well. Has this funky little nutty note on it. Very well could be the other Jim Beam. Or the other Knob Creek. I got it all sitting on the floor. That's why I look over there. Try not to think about what it really is. Just think about how it tastes. Tastes good. If I had to pick between A and B, I think I'd have to go with A right now. But just because it tastes just a little bit better. This one doesn't taste bad at all, but A's just a little better. Alright, let's see how Glass C is. Even more mint. Doesn't smell as good as A or B, but well, let's see how it goes. Alright. Glass C so far has the least amount of complex flavors going on. Still tastes good. It doesn't taste bad at all. This is probably going to be a pretty tough one. I think right now, if I was to just decide, I'd probably have to go A, B, C in that order. But I want to take a quick break, run through these again off camera. We'll figure it out. So stay tuned. After further deliberation, I think I'm going to have to stick with my original thought. A in first place, B, and then C in that exact order. Now, beyond that, B had the spiciest character of it. It's definitely the hottest and the spiciest of the three, but I feel like A probably in this setting had the best flavors. So you can take that two different ways. And each one of them, I think, well, you can take it multiple ways. I think the spiciness would probably be better if you're mixing it with something else. But as far as like a standalone drink, I think A is the best of the three. So let's go ahead and figure it out. I'm talking, buddy. Come here. In last place for week 10, we have... Oh no! Wild Turkey 101 Rye. Come here. Like I said, it was good. Come here. Come here. Come here. Shut up. You gonna shut up? Shut up now. Don't you put your head on me. Don't you look at me with them big brown eyes. Last place, we have Wild Turkey 101 Rye. It's, like I said, it's good. It just didn't have the same depth and character as the other two. And it's disheartening because I was hoping it would make it a lot further. And I might just recycle it back through because we still got a ways to go. In second place, we have, get it out, in Knob Creek Rye. So I believe that's the new label, Knob Creek. So I did feel like it was a Jim Beam product because of that funky little nutty note. It still tasted good, but the spice and the heat were a little on the overpowering side. So, and the big winner for this week, and this was a pretty tough one to call. I think the only reason I didn't go higher on the 101 Rye, it just didn't have the same depth. So, and watch, probably this is bottom A is probably going to be something that's just cheap. And alright, bottle A, we have Wild Turkey Rare Breed Rye for the win. Nice. So in this setting, Rare Breed Rye, and I think that's the second time it's won. We got Pikesville. See, week 1, Pikesville won. Week 2 was Open Eden. Week 3, Michter's Barrel Strength. Week 4, Old Forester. Yep, week 5, Rare Breed. So Rare Breed has won twice. We're going to take it out of the competition for a while and let some other stuff play around. So Rare Breed Rye, it's pretty damn good. I'm going to have to go pick up another bottle because I don't think I have much left on this one. But anyway, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Wild Turkey Rare Breed Rye. Let me know if you had it. Comment below. Share it with your friends. Like always, subscribe. I'm going out of order. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Check the description below for all the ways to help out with the bills around the house. Check out the Bearded Idiots, and like always, drink some whiskey, share it with your friends and family. Be safe, don't drink and drive, take care, and we'll see you next time. Cheers. Oh my God, Bonnie.